unstoppable vision, the strength born from stillness, the clarity shaped by discipline.
You feel like your part is getting wider, you need to be eating these. Let's talk about zinc. Before we begin, if you care about staying healthy, vibrant, and independent well into your golden years, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking that little notification bell. We share in-depth, practical health tips that doctors are often too busy to mention, and I don't want you to miss a single one. And I have a quick question for you. One I love to ask. Where are you watching from today? Are you in the United States, Canada, the UK, Australia, or somewhere else entirely? Please drop a comment below and let me know where you're from. It truly brightens my day to see how far this wonderful senior health community of ours reaches. Zinc is a master mineral. Your body uses it for hundreds of different functions, but it is absolutely critical for cell reproduction and tissue growth. Think of your hair follicle as a tiny, busy factory that is working 24/7 to build a single strand of hair. Zinc is the factory foreman. It manages all the workers, which are the proteins and vitamins, and it ensures the production line of hair growth runs smoothly. When you are low in zinc, and studies show many seniors are, that factory line sputters and stops, the hair growth cycle gets shorter, and the hair shedding cycle gets longer, and that's a bad combination. Zinc also helps regulate the oil glands around the follicles. Too little zinc, and you get a dry, flaky, itchy scalp. Too much oil, and it can clog the follicle, leading to inflammation. Zinc is the great balancer, and for your skin, zinc is the primary repairman. Every time you get a cut, a blemish, or even just daily sun damage, your body sends zinc to the site to manage inflammation and start building new healthy skin cells. It's the key to wound healing and keeping your skin's defenses strong. But pumpkin seeds are not a one-trick pony. They are also loaded with magnesium. Magnesium is our anti-stress mineral, and stress is a huge factor in hair loss. When we're stressed, our body produces cortisol, and that cortisol surge can literally push hair follicles into the shedding phase, which is why you see more hair in the drain and in your brush. Getting enough magnesium helps your body and nervous system relax, which can help keep your hair on your head where it belongs. Pumpkin seeds also contain iron, another critical mineral for hair, because iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your follicles. No oxygen, no growth. It's that simple. There's even a special amino acid in pumpkin seeds called cucurbitacin that has been studied for its potential to block DHT, the hormone most responsible for male and female pattern baldness. It's a powerful little seed. Have you ever had that feeling that your hair is just stuck, not growing, not necessarily falling out in clumps, just lifeless? That is often a classic sign of a mineral deficiency. Think of your scalp as a garden. You can water it with hydration like chia and fertilize it with good fats like flax. But if the soil itself is missing a key mineral like zinc, the plants won't grow. Pumpkin seeds are like adding essential mineral-rich compost back into the soil of your skull. The best part is, they're delicious and easy to eat. About a quarter cup a day is all you need, a small handful. Choose raw, unsalted, or lightly salted seeds, especially the dark green pepitas. Eat them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt, or blend them into pesto. A handful a day is enough. This is your hair growth and repair seed. Now we have our moisturizer, our hydrator, and our repairman. But what about a protector? A shield against daily damage from the sun, air, and life itself. That brings us to sunflower seeds. When you think sunflower seeds, think vitamin E. These humble seeds are a powerhouse of vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for skin health. All day long, your skin is under attack from UV rays, pollution, and internal stress, creating free radicals which act like tiny chaotic particles breaking down collagen, damaging DNA, causing wrinkles, sagging, age spots, and inflammation that can choke off hair follicles. Vitamin E neutralizes these free radicals, stopping damage before it starts, like sunscreen from the inside out. For hair, vitamin E also improves blood circulation, helping follicles receive oxygen and nutrients, which can stimulate growth and lead to thicker, stronger hair. Studies have shown people supplementing with vitamin E experienced increased hair growth compared to placebo groups, and you can get this benefit from sunflower seeds. They're also rich in selenium, another antioxidant that works alongside vitamin E to protect skin elasticity, plus magnesium to help manage stress. Think of skin cells like apple slices turning brown from oxidation. Vitamin E is like lemon juice keeping them fresh. About a quarter cup of raw, unsalted sunflower seeds daily is perfect. Add them to salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or enjoy as a snack. Just be mindful of portions because they are calorie dense. This is your daily shield. Finally, our fifth and last seed is sesame seeds, one of the oldest cultivated plants in the world and a giant when it comes to building strong hair and resilient skin. Sesame seeds are mineral-rich and provide calcium for healthy skin cell turnover and oil regulation, iron for oxygen delivery, and copper, which helps create melanin for hair pigment and links collagen and elastin together for skin strength and flexibility. They're also rich in sulfur-containing amino acids that form the strong disulfide bonds in keratin, giving hair its strength and resilience. Without them, hair becomes weak and prone to breakage. Sesame seeds also contain powerful anti-inflammatory lignans that calm inflammation in the scalp and skin, allowing your body to repair instead of constantly defending. Think of upgrading a frayed rope into strong steel cables. That's what these nutrients do for your hair. 2 tablespoons a day is ideal. Sprinkle them on salads, stir-fries, vegetables, avocado toast, or enjoy them as tahini, blended with lemon, garlic, and water for a creamy dressing. These 5 seeds, flax, chia, pumpkin, sunflower, and sesame, work together in synergy to moisturize, hydrate, repair, protect, and strengthen your hair and skin from the inside out.